Hi everyone, just a short video for you, just to go through my top 5 JLM products that will help to keep your car running smoothly throughout the restricted driving conditions with the COVID-19 pandemic. So, number 1, it's my favourite JLM product. This one is the Diesel Extreme Clean. When your vehicle's been sitting around for long periods of time, you could get bacteria growth in the tank, you know, things like that. So this does as antibacteria, as injector cleaner to help keep them clean, EGR cleaner, turbo cleaner, also some DPF cleaner in there. So this is has a wide variety of products in there, and it's great if your vehicle's been standing around for 2 or 3 months. So highly recommended that one, and that's something I've used in my own workshop van while it's sitting idle. So it's number 1. Second one, if you are using your vehicle and you've had a lot of short journeys and the DPF light is on and it's struggling to go out after a long drive, then DPF cleaner in tank, really good one there. So particulate filter cleaner, so put that in the tank. We recommend it with a full tank of fuel. Take a car for a 20-minute drive, and that will help to clear any blockages. So that's number 2. Third one, for modern petrol vehicles, GDI, direct injection vehicles, so things like VW, TSIs, stuff like that. You know, so this is JLM's revolutionary new GDI injector cleaner. So with cold starts and things like that and direct injection stuff, it's really common for injectors to foul up. So modern petrol stuff, that's really good for keeping direct injection injectors clean. So that's product number 3. And this one is a real important product at the moment, DPF Regen Plus. This is more suited to if you don't have a DPF light on and you're doing lots of short journeys to the supermarket and back. DPF Regen Plus will help the DPF to regenerate over a shorter space of time and help to keep your DPF clean. So this one there is to help prevent your DPF problems. So product number 4. So, and finally, the other one, which I've used this one in my daughter's car because doing lots of short journeys at the moment. So the petrol Catalytic exhaust cleaner. So it has an injector cleaner in there, has corrosion inhibitors as well because it's sitting for a length of time with the same fuel in there, and also you know, it'll clean the catalytic converter, so it'll help keep cat efficiencies up. You know, so the car's getting very little use. It's barely been anywhere for the last 2 months. So this is what I've put in the tank. Again, I recommend putting that into a full tank of fuel. So to find your nearest stockist, go onto the JLM Lubricants website, find your local distributor in your country, and you should you know, order it for some online delivery. So hope you found that useful. Stay safe everyone. Keep starting your vehicle engine weekly to keep them batteries charged. And when restrictions start to lift, you know, get the car out for an extended road test. Hope you found that useful, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers.